Okay, let's check our homework from last night. We're going to review comma rules 1 through 3. Number 1, let's go San Francisco, Seattle, and Phoenix for our road trip. We are listing 3 cities, so we need to put a comma after the first city, a comma after the second city, and the rule for this is rule C, because I had a list that I need to separate. Number 2, I'd love to run outside, but Kristen prefers running indoors. In this sentence, I have a fanboy sitting here, and I look on either side of that fanboy and I see that I have a sentence on either side, a complete sentence on either side, so I need to put a comma before that fanboy, before that conjunction, to separate 2 sentences. That's rule A. Number 3, I love to eat cold melted ice cream with my birthday cake. In this sentence, I have 2 adjectives describing 1 noun. Cold and melted both describe ice cream. I could flip cold and melted in the sentence. I could say I love to eat melted cold ice cream. So because I can flip-flop those adjectives, I need a comma between them to separate them to show they are of equal rank. So that is letter B. Number 4, riding my bike, running a mile, and swimming in the lake are my favorite pastimes. Here I have a list of 3 things I like to do. So I'm going to put a comma after each thing. The first thing is riding my bike. The second is running a mile. And the third is swimming in the lake. So I had 3 things that I was separating that were in a list, and so that is letter C. Number 5, you can do your homework now, or you can do your chores. In number 5, I have the conjunction, the fanboy or, and so therefore I need to look on either side of that and make sure I have a complete sentence. You can do your homework now is 1 sentence. You can do your chores is another sentence. So this fanboy, this conjunction, is joining together 2 complete sentences. So I need a comma before it to correctly punctuate and separate those 2 sentences. That's letter A. Number 6, I am really tired, so I'm going to take a nap this afternoon. Here, as I look through the sentence, I see so. It's a fanboy. I look on either side. I am really tired. That's a complete sentence. I'm going to take a nap this afternoon. That's a complete sentence. Therefore, I need a comma before my fanboy. This is letter A to separate those 2 sentences. Number 7, I have lived in Huntsville, Coleman, Tuscaloosa, and Birmingham. Here's another list, a list of places that I've lived. So I'm going to put a comma after each place. Huntsville, comma, Coleman, comma, Tuscaloosa, comma. I've separated all the different places with a comma, and that is rule C. Number 8, I have so much to do today, so I cannot be late to work. As I read this sentence, I see a fanboy so and a fanboy so. This one is the one that's joining together the 2 sentences. I have so much to do today is 1 complete sentence. I cannot be late to work is the other complete sentence. So I'm going to put a comma before so to join together those 2 sentences. Rule A. Number 9, jumping in the cold, icy water woke me up really quickly. Here I have 2 adjectives that are describing water, cold and icy. I need to see if I can flip it. Can I say jumping in the icy cold water woke me up really quickly? I can. It makes sense. So I put a comma between cold and icy. And I realize this is adjectives of equal rank that can be flip-flopped, switched. So this is letter B. Last one is number 10. The fat, lazy kitty meowed for more food. Here, fat and lazy are both describing kitty. I have to decide, can I flip them? Can I say the lazy fat kitty meowed for more food? Yes, I can. These adjectives are of equal rank. They can be switched or flip-flopped and the sentence still makes sense. So I need a comma between fat and lazy. And that is rule B.